Good day and welcome back to another episode. In this video we're going to be going over the essential steps for applying a ceramic or a graphene coating, both of which will follow the same procedures as this video here will show. If you enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not, click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload, and also drop a comment down below and smash that thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy this episode, so sit back and enjoy. The first step you're going to want to do is to do a contact wash over the whole vehicle, making sure that you have gotten everything off the paint so it is free and clear of any kind of road grime, dirt, or debris. You're going to want to use some sort of a strip wash to remove any kind of old waxes or sealants that may be left on the paint, leaving a nice bare surface behind. You're going to want to dry the entire vehicle. You can do that with either a blower or by towel. Either way is fine, but you're going to need it dried to move on to the next steps. The next step is going to be clay barring the paint to make sure that you remove any kind of embedded contaminants out of the clear coat and the paint before you move on to the next step. You can use any kind of a clay bar lube and clay bar, but this is an essential step in removing those contaminants that are embedded in your clear coat. Clay barring is such an essential step because it does not matter if the vehicle is brand new off the showroom floor or 20 years old, it's going to have contaminants embedded into the paint, and you want to make sure to remove those before you move on to making any kind of contact onto the paint with any kind of buffer or compound. Using your buffer and your compound of choice, you're going to want to do a paint correction or a paint enhancement to remove the defects out of the paint to make it look as best as possible, because the coating is going to last for several years and you do not want to see those defects underneath that coating. The first part of this will be in real time, so you can see arm speed with the buffer. After that, I will speed it up to keep the video nice, short, and sweet. Another reason this step is so essential is to exfoliate your paint. That way your coating will have the best surface to bond to. The next step will be using an IPA wipe down to make sure you remove any kind of oils or compound residue that may be left over from the paint correction. That way your coating has a virgin surface to bond to. Last but not least, it is time to apply the ceramic or graphene coating of your choice. This step does take time. You do want to make sure you have a nice even coverage and a crosshatch and overlapping pattern on the paint. Make sure to give the coating adequate time to flash. It will vary for the conditions that you're working in, but I have sped that up in this video to keep it nice, short, and sweet for you. Another very important step is to make sure that all of the residue from the coating is removed, so take your time, pay attention, and make sure that it is completely removed. Always make sure to read the instructions for the coating that you are using to make sure you know what the total cure time is before it can get wet or before you can make a contact wash with chemicals. You do not want to mess that coating up, and the cure time is very, very important for the coatings so you can get the longest and most out of them as possible. Once the coating has cured, pull it out into the sunlight, stand back, take a look, admire all of your hard work and this beautiful coating that you've now applied that is going to give you paint protection for years to come. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was helpful and informative. And as I mentioned, Please remember to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, turn on all post notifications, smash that thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. Thank you for all your guys' support. You guys are amazing.